I was afraid of this wire. I guess they changed the dumpster. So today's plan. Today's plan that we're gonna have an estate sale. Now estate sale and garage sales are different. In garage sale you put things outside and people like it, and if they like it they buy it. In estate sale, basically the whole house, everything that's in it is for sale. And so what we're gonna try to do is basically sell as much as we can so that we can start the demolition tomorrow on this house. Okay, so our signs are down. Now let's go to the garage sale because the time is only 20 minutes left. And today I'm selling everything that is inside the house. So today, everything is for sale. Okay, look like we have 2 more cars. And we are officially not even open yet because the time is 12 to 3. It's all yours. If you like anything, let me know.
Okay.
Sorry guys, couldn't record the garage sale. Just got too busy with a lot of people at the same time. Then few of the people didn't want to be on the camera. So we're just gonna move straight toward the demolition. Okay guys, so we started the demolition today. We're gonna take down everything. We're gonna throw all this furniture off and make it clean so that we can work here and change the walls and everything. We got a lot of work here, lot of work. Okay buddy, everything that you see in the dumpster, everything, but put it nicely because dumpster I want to save room. So we are here, dumpster is full, all the way full. I think we're gonna need another dumpster because we still have a lot of garbage. We are back at the house. What the hell is going on with this wire? Oh shit, I was afraid of this wire. I guess they changed the dumpster. We already have 1 full dumpster. This is the second dumpster. But this wire came down with it. It's a cable wire, I think. It's all right. I'll live with it. Let's go inside. Something like that. Yeah, stack up on this and then top and then.
Yeah.
I don't want it even.
Yeah, no.
That's beautiful. I like that. Okay guys, we are doing the backsplash today. My wife chose these kind of particular tiles. We are doing them this stacking way like this. So this is the way it looks like this. We have these gentlemen here. They are ready to work. And now I'll just take a close look. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. We got the backsplash done. It looked beautiful. Rest of the work gonna be done tomorrow, I guess. Please support me by liking my channel and sharing it with your friends. I put a lot of hard work into these videos. I would really appreciate it if more people get to see it. ये हमारे इमरान भाई है,